Right, here we are. We're going to the Boro match, apparently.
Up the Boro!
Up the Boro! We're going with the girls, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to have a laugh.
I'm going to have a good thing. It's a McDonald's.
Oh, we're going to get McDonald's, yeah. I think your dad's going to have a Parmo burger.
Molly's already asking for one.
Yeah, that's true.
So you ready to rock and roll, girls?
Yeah, we're ready to rock and roll.
Right, okay, we'll see you there, yeah?
Don't forget like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe,
Like and subscribe.
See you later, bye.
Subscribe.
Say bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
So where are you going today, Molly?
Football match.
Football match, and who are you going to go and see?
Haaland.
Haaland? I think you want the Boro. You're going to the Boro, aren't you?
It's now your to do.
Where we going, Willow?
I'm going to Boro match.
The Boro match? You got the Boro match?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want Messi's to go.
Who?
Messi.
Messi? I think you got the wrong football match.
No, Messi's to go.
Typical.
Messi does. We're gonna
Does he? Is that what he does?
We're gonna see.
Right, we're in McDonald's.
We're gonna see.
We're in McDonald's waiting. Dad's going to get some food, hasn't he?
Yeah, we're gonna get chicken wrap.
Going to get a chicken wrap?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
You're getting a bag of crisps, you.
No, we're not. He's lying.
Okay, look.
Don't tell me I don't like the video.
Hi, Willow.
Done.
Well, the kids are having pretty much meal. Alex is having his burger, ready for the big match. Sit down. Well, we're off to the Boro match. Walking down, aren't we, Alex?
Yeah. Freezing. Look at his shorts.
Yeah, somebody's got the shorts on.
Dad, hold the hat.
Don't know why, like.
Dad, hold the hat.
Don't mess about.
Look.
What?
Cheese.
Come on, girls. Yeah. I am. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The transporter. Molly. Sweetheart. Yeah, we're in. We're walking around the stadium. We're walking around the stadium, girls.
All the way down the inside.
No, girls.
Wow, good to stay.
What do you say? Up the Boro. Up the Boro. Up the Boro. You what? Come on in. No, it's not that way. I think it's.
Now 44, 52.
I think I've accidentally chose hands.
Come on, let's go around the other way. Come on in.
I have.
Got the Boro shop in there. Hey Alex, you eating all the sweets? Where's Willow?
Go.
Oh, must be the one in the end, is it?
Yeah.
Right, girls.
The old stadium.
Are you at the stadium?
Aston Park.
What do you say?
Up the Boro. The Boro.
Oh, that's better. Up the Boro.
Another chance.
Enjoying your burgers, girls? Where you going? We're in the stadium, as you can see.
So we're half an hour away from kick-off here at the Riverside today, and I've got a few people to say hello. Boro fans but live down in the Watford area. We're sitting in the East Stand today, which is great. Hope you have a wonderful afternoon with us. And also in the East Stand today, I'm sitting next to Zayn and also Indy. Who's going to win today, do you reckon, kids? Boro. And Fan Cam today is in the East Stand as well. Hello, East Stand! Hey, give us a wave, give us a wave. See yourself on the big screen, give us a wave. Fan Cam, East Stand today. East Stand. You're going to be freezing later on this afternoon. Let's move it up a little bit. There we are.
Where are we at? Oh, there.
Yourselves on the big screen. Zooming right in on you. Give us a wave.
Hey!
That's you, that's it, there you go! Well done! Here, Adam, come a bit more to the right.
Smile. Take it off.
So here's football.
Oh, George.
George.
Hang on. Hang on. Just a minute.
Right over here.
Can I show you something?
What?
Follow me, I need to show you it.
Where you going, like?
Follow me. Yeah,
Good.
follow one.
Do Ronaldo. Do Ronaldo.
Look here. Wait. Sue!
Don't know if I had to say it, Molly.
Sue! That's a desk somewhere.
All right.
It's called George. It's called
Well, we're at the Boro ground.
It's called George Hardwick.
All right.
It's called George Hardwick. Football. Litchfield.
What do you think, girls? What do you think? What should we cook say? Hang on. Oh, there you go. So we're at the Boro ground. We're going to come out half time. It's too cold for the kids, isn't it, girls?
God.
And the Boro getting beat 1-0 by Watford. Just thought I'd put that on the post, as you do. Like and subscribe, Molly.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to keep the subscribe button and the like button. Bye. And to our YouTuber, don't forget to comment. And don't forget to comment down below. You don't forget to comment.
Yeah, any comments?
Don't forget to comment down below.
Yeah, comments and Willow will put the comments in. And Molly.
We're YouTubers.
Yeah, we're YouTubers.
Yeah! We'll have to do a smoothie video, so I have to guess what's inside. What ingredients are in the smoothie?
Okay.
They have to keep. They haven't even
Come on then, let's go. That's it, we're back to the car. There we go. Come on, girls. Well, Alex is happy because Man City are winning. Is it 3-0, Alex?
3-0.
3-0.
You play a hat-trick.
So some proper players, I think, for the Man City, I think. Unfortunately, sorry, Boro fans. Put that on, so I'll get trolled.